start meal prepping for the week because it's going to be 100 plus degrees. So with the country style breakfast sausage, I am going to cut them up and make them with eggs. I have ground sweet Italian sausage meat, which I am going to mix with the regular ground beef and either make meatballs or meatloaf. And I took out a couple of pork chops, which I will bread and either fry or bake. And in the oven, I have mushrooms, zucchini, squash, peppers, onions, and sweet sausage and peppers and onions and zucchini and squash are all done. Let me take them out. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna let it cool off and then put it away.